Did you happen to hear the most rancid burp ever heard in the history of Twitch? Koko did it the other day. For some reason, I feel you would enjoy hearing it.
No. Wait. I want to tell you guys about the grossest burp I heard from watching a Mega clip. And literally, when I tell you I was like beside myself laughing, I'm going to show you. In case you haven't seen it, I saw this clip on my timeline and I was like incapable of breathing because I was laughing so hard. Listen to this.
And then the instructor is like, you got it. And you're like, wow,
What? She just laughed. Oh my god. Okay, I'll be quiet so you guys can hear it because it's a slightly quiet clip. Coco's is definitely worse. Okay, let's hear it.
really cute. Oh.
Why is it the same burp? Why is it the same?
God.
Why is it a two-parter? What do you mean it's not over?
Oh my god. What the fuck was that?
Dude!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I thought she was puking, dude. Play both at the same time.
And you're like,
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
They lied to- Dude, they're speaking the same language.
Oh,
I'm sorry, I still think Vegas is better. They're so good. They're both so good though, man. I don't know. I can't figure it out.
oh, you know what'd be really cute? Oh. Oh my god. Wow.
Gross. I hate Coco. I hate this. I hate this meme. I hate Coco. I hate everything. This sucks. This sucks. This sucks.